Welcome back. Oh my goodness, it's so dark. Okay. At least you can see it. Right. So what we have here, just gonna come closer. I'm sorry about that. My SD card was full again. It was really hard to do to make the arrangement and look at the timer and see how much how do you call that space I had left on my SD card. Unfortunately, I am alone filming this, so I'm gonna do it up close. So we have placed a flower in the center, yeah, bit down, and one on the left or right for you, whatever, and flower here, bud there, and two buds here. We did the same thing on exactly the same thing on the back side, and we have placed rose on the one side, and then the last two Amato flower on the other side. And then we had 3 mums here. And if you feel like you say, I think I need more flowers, then you may absolutely do that. I think that would be pretty too, when you're just add a bit more of maybe a bud, 1 or 2 or 3 maybe. I think that would be pretty too, but oh, unfortunately for me, I do not have those prepared, so it's not like I can cut. Where's my box? So it's not like I can cut now and make a whole flower in just a period of time, unfortunately. I'm just rearranging this again, repositioning the rose. I thought having it a bit longer was cute, but actually it's not. So I am just gonna do a short one, and we'll also make sure it fills the gap that there is. So now I'm really done. I'm actually always like this. I feel like I'm never done. I always trying to edit, adjust, and sometimes you just need to know when to stop. So I'm done. Should not touch it anymore. Let's see. One more time. Double check. I actually do like it. I'm gonna lift this one up again and do the rose here, because I think it's a bit too hidden. I can show it off. So I lifted it up, and this one too. Lifting this up to show the bud more. Well, actually, no, not this one. So, bud here, one bud there. That's fine. Okay, perfect. Stop it. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, so we have 2 buds on the other side, and then we have 3 on this side. Because we have a mom showing on the other and not on this. That's why. We have 2 more on the other side. It's not too synchronized. If you get what I mean. Okay. I think I'm really done. So there you go. The Amato for Valentine. And again, you can make it smaller just by making it smaller by 50%, and then you also need less flowers. I think 3 flowers, either 2 Amato flower, 1 rose, and rose buds. And if you want mums, maybe 1 or 2 should be enough. So, but that's up to you. But if you do that, you could make this for a whole class for your kids at school. because making a big one is just too much work. Too much work. And that's for paper. You know, if he has a girlfriend, of course he can make one, you know. One should be fine. And there you go. Now I'm really done, even though this is just a 5-minute tutorial. There's, yeah, not much that I can do. Well, obviously I could edit, but like I said, I don't like to edit because I do want to show the mistakes I make. Okay. Yes. So, if you have enjoyed making this Amato gift box, please head back to take the time to my Etsy shop and leave a review. Like my shop, you get the updates for new items. If you're not a member yet of the Maison Gregoria Facebook group, I have provided a link when sending your order. Do that. You may share your work for the monthly freebie, and the monthly freebie afterwards, at the end of the month, a new month, goes to my shop. So then it will only be available in my Etsy shop. What else? What else? Yes, so you may post your creations in the group and submitting it and saying it's for the freebie, or you can add your creation in the freebie album of the month. And that's it. So I have an Instagram account if you're interested to follow. Yes. So that was it, guys. How cute is this? I chose black because I like the flowers to pop, and I think first I was a bit in doubt, but I actually think I have reached what I was envisioning, what I had in mind, and I'm very happy with that. Except for, wish it was more glossy paper that I've used, so it would actually look more prettier. So if you want to do black too, make sure you have gloss, so it's prettier. So there you go. Thank you again, and I'm looking forward to see your creation, whether you make a big one or a small one, or you do the other bugs. Either way, please do share, and then if you're gonna share for the freebie. You would be crazy not to. Yeah, that was it. Thank you again for ordering this, and if you're a VIM, obviously you have received this because you already paid for it, and I hope I did not disappoint by making something. Well, it is Valentine, and at least there are new flowers, and I also have to make flowers that everyone can make. I have to take that in account, that it has to be simple. There are some points that it has to be simple. It has to be easy, that when a maker that buys it has zero experience can make this too. So that was my standards of when creating this Amato. And I think so I had to really step back, all the way back, how was it when I just started. Well, now I know I struggled a bit with a rose, but and then I made a rose. But the rose is actually pretty easy, and maybe your first try may not help, but it is about the glue. That's with the rose. It's just glue. The higher the glue, the more compact it is. And besides that, it's an easy flower. It's the easiest, one of the easiest you can make. course, there are other flowers that are much easier and simpler, but it's Valentine. So, and you can't not do the rose, I think. But next year I won't do a rose. Next year I'll probably do something else. So, but this will be back for sure. Now, this one is only available for Valentine. I will have the Amato flower available in my shop. That's the only flower that will be available in my shop. This of these two. And the boxes will be offered individually as well. So that was it. I'm out of breath. I need to drink something because my mouth is dry for all the talking. Making 2 tutorials, 2.5 actually, because I had to finish the rose as well. So thank you very much again, and see you next time. Ciao!